Are you putting your hard-earned money to work, or is it just sitting there, waiting for you to pick a direction? If you're with a robo-advisor like Nutmeg, you know the power of simple, expert-built portfolios. But with options like fully managed, fixed allocation, and smart alpha, how do you know you've landed on the right one for your personal financial journey? Choosing your investment style isn't just a click on a website. It's a foundational decision that impacts your fees, your risk exposure, and ultimately, your potential returns. It all comes down to three key factors: cost, control, and complexity. Let's break down the main Nutmeg portfolio styles so you can make an informed choice. First up, we have fixed allocation. This is your low-cost, set-and-forget option. The investment mix is decided upfront based on your risk level, and it's only automatically rebalanced once a year to keep the risk steady. The main benefit? It has the lowest management fees. It's ideal for patient, long-term investors who want minimal fuss and are comfortable with a less active approach to market ups and downs. If you're okay with your portfolio being a little slower to react to changes, this is your budget-friendly pick. Next is the fully managed portfolio. This is the classic, hands-on option. Nutmeg's in-house investment team actively monitors and makes strategic adjustments to the portfolio throughout the year, reacting to market conditions and economic outlooks. They're trying to minimize risk and seize opportunities as they appear. This level of active management comes with a higher fee, but you get the peace of mind that experts are continually watching the market for you. Choose this if you value professional oversight and a portfolio that can be more nimble. Finally, there's Smart Alpha, powered by J.P. Morgan Asset Management. Think of this as an enhanced version of fully managed. It combines Nutmeg's core approach with an extra layer of active management based on deep, global market insights from one of the world's largest financial firms. This offers the most proactive adjustments and market timing strategies, aiming for potentially higher returns through sophisticated decision-making. As you'd expect, this is typically the most expensive option, so it's best for investors who are looking for that cutting-edge, extra level of active strategic management and are comfortable with the highest fees. So, how do you choose? If low cost and simplicity are your top priority, go fixed allocation. If you want active professional management that responds to the market, choose fully managed. And if you're seeking the highest level of active, expert strategy and are comfortable with the cost, look into Smart Alpha. Crucially, also consider the socially responsible investing option. Nutmeg offers ethical versions for both fully managed and Smart Alpha portfolios, allowing you to align your investments with your values on environmental, social, and governance factors. Before you make any final decision, always use the risk questionnaire on the Nutmeg platform. Your personal risk appetite, time horizon, and goals are the true North Star for selecting the right blend of assets. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.